Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Lawina. And you?
I'm Maren.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. So today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most educated African countries? You can name for us three.
Number one, I think it's my country, Kenya. I love Kenya so much and I know many people are educated in Kenya. So number one is Kenya. Number two, I think is Nigeria.
Why?
I think you can just see it from the look of things. Nigeria have educated people. And number three, I think it's Congo, if I'm not wrong.
Why?
Congo. I think Congo is the most developed. With development, you have to get educated people there. So I think Congo is number three, according to me, yeah.
And what about their infrastructure and real estate?
It's good. Okay, I've never gone there, but I do watch the online and I think they have a good infrastructures. Yeah.
Okay, so
Rich too.
so thank you so much for your time. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Walter, or we can call me Cloth.
Okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most educated African countries? You can name for us three.
I will start with my own country, that is Kenya. We are very smart, educated, but tuko na kirere. But tuko sawa. Ingine, I can say Nigerians, they're really good people. They're also very educated. Ingine ya mwisho ni gani? South Africa.
Why?
South Africa, they are really, the reason why they're educated? They can, they have, they always come up with different innovations and ideas. In infrastructure, it's just amazing. Amazing. Although pia Kenya inafanya poa, ina nini, but not really bad.
Okay. So thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Banjo.
Banjo? Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most educated African countries? You can name for us three, and why?
Three? I think the first one is Nigeria. The second one is seme Kenya. Naweza sema Kenya. Alafu the third one. The third one. To stick to hizo mbili.
Hizo mbili. So why did you name the two?
From Kenya, I cannot disappoint my country, the first one. And the second one, Nigeria. I think Nigeria. Even if you watch those Nigerian movies, you will see that the Nigeria is more developed kiasi.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Brighton Timmy.
Okay, so Brighton, today we are asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most educated African countries? You can name for us three, and why?
Kenya. First country is Kenya, most educated, but there is no employment. The other one is South Africa. The other one is Tanzania. Yeah.
Why do you name the three?
Kenya is more educated because there are this kuna zile education ziko as in ukienda in many counties in Kenya, you'll get more schools, of which hakuna. Then in Kenya there's kuna serikali haitaki watoto wakae nyumbani, so they are educated. They go to school to be taught what to do and to get knowledge. So I think the Kenya is the first number one country, maybe for those that nimetaja. Then South Africa iko na wale watu wamesoma sana na wame make it in life. Then Tanzania, but Tanzania I'm not sure. Yeah.
Could you compare their infrastructure or roads?
Roads. For roads, South Africa iko juu kiasi. Then Kenya, then Tanzania.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much too.